Hello, this is Valentine Ozigbo sending a message of congratulations to Professor Charles Soludo on emerging the governor-elect of Anambra State. I want to join thousands and millions of Ndi Anambra in wishing him well. Let me also state this. I consider us winners in this as well. In this race, we battled against a lot of interests. We battled against the incumbency factor in Anambra State. We battled against the incumbency at the federal. We battled also against those who wished for status quo to remain, who just didn't want the type of change that we wanted Anambra to witness. We battled against those who indeed were intent on ensuring that denomination politics remain. But in all this, I am gratified and thankful to God for being with us all through this journey. 2 years ago when I left my corporate world to go into active politics, the number of things we set out to achieve. We actually wanted Anambra to be an example of what governance should be. We wanted to use this as an opportunity to unify Ndi Anambra onto a common positive goal. We wanted to also bring our Igbo together, and we wanted to inspire professionals into politics. If you look at these objectives, you can't come to a simple conclusion that we emerged winners. Because today, our Anambra Chapel Manifesto, the philosophy, is the strongest messaging you can find in this 2021 race. Therefore, I can't but be thankful to Almighty God and to many other people who God used to get us to where we are today. There are a lot of you who believed in us too early without even knowing who we were. And some of you came much later. I honestly, sincerely thank you and wish Anambra well. And in all this, therefore, we are going to take steps that we will use to address the need for us to have a better platform, a better Anambra, and a better future. I want to assure you that the spirit is stronger, the resolve is much, much stronger. We need to do what we need to do because Anambra Gachawapo. God bless you and thank you.
La 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 la.